Welcome back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me your thumbs up, leave me your comments, and in the description box is the phone numbers to the switchboard at the White House. Get those numbers and call them every morning. I know you've been doing it and you don't think that it's doing no good, and it may not. We don't know, but we have to try. But those numbers will get you in touch with any senator, any congressman, and President Trump's office. You won't talk to President Trump, but you will talk to one of his aides. Y'all, this is a new week. As you know, not a whole lot has been getting done. I'm hopeful that something will get done this week. But I gotta be realistic. My hopes will probably be crushed at the end of this week because they hadn't done nothing thus far, so why should they start now? Y'all, if we get something else today, I will make another video, but in this video I will go over what happened this weekend. A lot happened this weekend, but then on the other hand, it was a lot of nothing. Mitch McConnell said he is ready to see a stimulus check and proper unemployment boost and more PPP money. The Mooch man is getting worried, y'all. That might be a good sign. Marco Rubio said it is likely we won't see a stimulus check until October. Y'all, remember, he's one person. He don't make the rules. Mark Meadows says it's very likely Donald Trump will pass more executive orders. And the one that looks like it's going to get passed is preventing the airlines layoffs. President Trump has said that he will issue an executive order for the airline industry. First of all, if he does this, he's going to have to bail them out yet again, because if they're facing hard times, if they're having to lay employees off, that means they don't have money to pay them. I don't see their employees working for free, and a lot of their employees is highly paid. I do know they got some low pay employees also. Donald Trump is wanting to spend $1.3 trillion on a coronavirus relief package. It's a lot more than the Republican Party wants to spend. And it's a lot more than the $500 billion they want to spend on the skinny bill. But Nancy Pelosi wants $900 billion more. In the big scheme of things, that's not too far out from what Donald Trump is wanting. Yeah, to us, $900 billion sounds like a lot. But when you're talking about these big trillion-dollar numbers, that's not really a lot. Nancy Pelosi told reporters that she refuses any more discussions with the Republicans until they agree on a $2.2 trillion stimulus package. This is not good news at all. This tells me that it's got to be her way or no way. That's not how you negotiate a deal. Maybe she needs to take that course that Donald Trump had a few years ago, The Art of a Deal. Maybe she'll learn how to deal. I'm not saying Nancy Pelosi only. They all need to take that course and learn how to make a deal. It is likely that the stimulus package will not be passed until the end of September. Then we will start seeing stimulus checks, if there is a stimulus check. Right now there is none. But if there is a stimulus check, we will start seeing it around the middle to the end of October. How convenient that's close to Election Day. Y'all don't let this, if it does get passed and if it's a good number, don't let it sway your vote. They've waited much too late. They have to go. Y'all, we will get out of this. I know this is just a recap of what happened over the weekend, but it's Monday morning. Maybe something will happen today. We'll just have to wait and see. We've got to hold out hope, I guess. Y'all, I love you all, and I'll see you again this afternoon. Ciao.